In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, you are going to see how to share your edited or ongoing project files with Windows or Mac users. You can use this process right after completing your project so that you can store the entire project files, which includes the videos, audios, effects and everything in one single place so that you can access them in future without any worries. This is my project file which I edited for one of my clients. Right now it is completely edited and I exported the video as well. So now I will export this entire project file into one place. Actually, I copied the effects from different projects followed by photos and videos from different locations on my laptop. So in future, if I delete or change the location path, then the Adobe Premiere Pro will show that the media is offline, but not after this tutorial. So let's follow this. Right after opening the project file, go to here, File. On the bottom, you see an option called Project Manager. Click on it. Now a window will pop up like this. First, you need to select the sequences because I made it a lot of sequences here like nesting the clips and everything. So that's why it is showing here. If in case your project file doesn't have any sequences, then it won't show many options here, so you don't need to worry about that. If selecting these many sequences is time consuming, just press the shift key and select any one option. It will select all. You can see here. Now we go to second step. In this step, we are going to select the first option, which is to collect files and copy them to a new location. That means whatever the folder the media is in, but right after exporting the entire project file with this option, those files will be copied to a new location. On the other side, you see more options where you need to select the first option, exclude unused clips. If in case you want, you can uncheck this. If you uncheck this, whatever the clips that are imported to the project file, those will be also exported, which will take more storage space. Right now I do not need this, so I'm selecting this option. Next option, select the include audio confirm files. After that, include preview files followed by rename media files to match clip names. Now we are going to the next step. It shows on which destination path this entire project will be saved. By default, it will take the Adobe Premiere Pro folder. If in case you want, you can click the browse option and change it. Right now, I'm going to change this to some specific location that I wanted. Now on the bottom, it shows disk space. Actually, you can click on the calculate if in case you want to know how much storage does this entire project file is taking before exporting. Actually, in this video, I'm not doing this because my hard disk has a sufficient amount of space. I'm just clicking on OK. Just wait for some couple of minutes so that the entire project file will be saved into your destination folder, which you had already given earlier. To access this copied file, open the folder where you have given the destination and you can see everything here, but you won't get the final exported video file. So actually what I do is I create two new folders regarding for thumbnail and final edited video, and I copy and paste it here. Finally, I delete the original project file and delete the things where they are scattered everywhere on my laptop. So that's it. This is how you can copy or share project files in Adobe Premiere Pro to Windows or Mac devices. This option is handy if in case you are accessing the project file in multiple systems. If you think this video is really helpful for you, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to this channel for more amazing tips and tricks. The subscriber count boosts my motivation to post more such useful and helpful videos. Thank you so much for doing this. If in case you want to support this channel, I have given the affiliated links in the description box of Amazon. If in case you are buying anything from that, feel free to click that link and purchase it. I'll get some commission. Once again, thank you so much for doing this.